Hello everyone, my name is Yashnai. I will be presenting a research paper titled Fine-Tune Pre-trained Name Entity Recognition Model for Indian Languages. This work was authored by Sankalp and colleagues and published in 2024 by NAACL Conference on Human Language Technologies. I choose this paper because it addresses a major challenge in NLP developing robust name entity recognition model for Indian languages, which are diverse and often low resource. The paper is innovative and has a practical implication of multilingual applications. Name entity recognition is a crucial task in natural language processing. It helps identify identity like a name, place, or organization in text. This paper focuses on Indian language like Hindi, Odia, Telugu, and Urdu. Why this is important? Well, Indian language present unique challenges. There are no capitalization, words order is flexible, and some words have multiple meanings. The author purpose uh, the author proposed a fine-tuned multilingual model to overcome this challenge. What makes this paper stand out is its approach to using a transfer learning and creating custom annotation dataset of 40,000 sentence to tackle low resource setting. Coming to the research problem, so the main problem tackled by the paper is a lack of robust e name entity recognition system for Indian languages. Unlike English, Indian language face specific challenges like face word order and no capitalization, which entity recognize hard. This matter because Indian is a linguistically diverse country, and solving this issue can improve various applications like governance, tourism, and even healthcare. Previous approach include rule-based system, statistical model, and even deep learning. However, none were adaptable and effective for Indian languages, especially low-resource ones. Coming to the next slide, the proposed solution, the author proposed fine-tuning XLMR Roberta, a multi-language model. Indian language, they also use cross-lingual transfer learning to make model more effective and low resource setting. One key One key innovation was creating an annotated dataset of 40,000 sentence from our four language like Hindi, Odia, Telugu, and Urdu. They fine-tuned to pretend model, BERT and Hinner, tailoring them specific for dataset. This approach is not only improve the adaptability but also show how fast transfer learning can be applied to addressing linguistic diversity. Coming to the result and impact, now let's talk about the fine-tuned Hinner model achieve an F1 score of 0.83, slightly outperforming the baseline BERT model, which scored 0.82. This demonstrates the effectiveness of this approach. Interestingly, they also tested a multilingual model which performed comparably to monolingual language model. This shows potential for scaling the approach to other languages. However, there were limitations. The model struggled with identifying the organization and requiring large annotated dataset, which could be a challenge for truly low resource language. In terms of application, this work can enhance a name entity recognition in domain like governance or tourism, where extracting name entity accurately crucial. Uh, coming, let's wrap up with some critical analysis. This paper has several strengths, and the author created high quality dataset and used innovative methods like transfer learning and demonstrated real world project impact. The results were promising, especially for two low resource languages, but there were also some weakness. The approach is computationally expensive, which limits scalability. And as mentioned earlier, it struggled with certain tasks like organization Overall, I think this paper is a great step forward in making NLP more inclusive for Indian languages. It highlights the potential of multilingual model and sets strong. Thank you for your time. I hope this presentation give you a good understanding of the paper and why it is important contribution to NLP research. If you have any question, I would be happy to answer them. Thank you.